Hey loves, my name is T.R. Smith and I'm a mixed media artist and instructor. And I just wanted to come in and share with you really quickly my experience with acrylic pouring. So I decided to try my hand at it. An online friend, Shay, makes amazing, beautiful acrylic pours. So she inspired me and I decided to give it a try, and I did this, which to me turned out to be gorgeous, but it doesn't have those cool cells that you see in acrylic pours. So I decided to give it another try. I was determined to get cells, and I succeeded. I got gorgeous cells. Weren't those beautiful? And so I was very excited about it, and I was playing with the paint, and the cells were beautiful. And I had to cook, so once the painting looked as I wanted it, I left it there and went to cook dinner. And I came back and my cells were gone. The painting looked like this. Now if you look closely in some spots, you can see a little bit of what's left of the cells, but they disappeared. And it's because the paint is liquid and it moves. It still continues to move even when you walk away. So now I need to know how you keep your cells. Do you pour acrylic paint? How do you keep your cells? Tell me. I'd love to know. Leave your comment below. Thanks.